introduce everybody to Richard Dunbar with Buddy SoftWash.
Right, correct.
Named after your dog?
Yep.
That's amazing. Where are you located?
Terre Haute, Indiana.
Terre Haute, Indiana. So how did you come to find SoftWash?
I was looking around the internet and I saw this, and I just started watching different YouTube videos, and you know how that is. You start watching one, and somehow if you put SoftWash in for search, you came up, and started watching a lot of your videos in the truck, and I saw the equipment, and I thought, wow, I was really looking for like a turnkey type solution. I didn't want to build my own rig or anything like that, but yeah, I'm looking at doing something different with my career right now, and I thought this might be a good opportunity.
So we are here today because you just graduated from Top Gun.
Yep.
Can you give us your impression of Top Gun after 3 days in the field, one-on-one with an instructor? What's it been like for you?
It's been good. Adam was my instructor, and the first day we went over a lot of things. We had an opportunity to ask all sorts of questions, but nothing really prepares you. I mean, you can watch all the videos online, but actually getting the gun and spraying and making some mistakes and them showing you how to do different things, that's what really, I learned a lot, and I'm sure there's still a lot to learn, but at least I have some confidence now. One of the big things is I wanted to get that pole extension, because I'm not big on ladders and climbing heights, but just with a little encouragement, I was up pretty high in some of the ladders and felt pretty comfortable. But it's your training really helps in getting comfortable with equipment and knowing how to do things correctly. And
so one of the things Top Gun is designed to do is for you to not just sit in the classroom and learn the systems, and not even just to go out on a job site, but to take your rig, your truck, your system, and the knobs you're turning are your knobs. You're learning how to clean something in real time.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and you're doing it one-on-one with an instructor for 3 days.
Yep.
Yeah, so leaving here, how do you feel? Do you feel more prepared? Do you feel better equipped? Talk to me about that.
Yeah, absolutely more prepared. I mean, if I didn't have this training, I would have gone home and I got this equipment. I probably would have been able to figure out how to turn it on and stuff. But I wouldn't have, like if you're doing the pavement or something, and you have plants or grass on the side, and how you lay in the ends and edges and stuff like that. You'd have to do trial and error. Maybe you'd kill some plants or grass or something of that nature, and I'm sure you'd figure it out. But it's why figure it out when you could have somebody say, you got to do. Oh, you just sprayed that thing. You didn't let your partner know that you hit this plant. So things like that.
Well, we want you to leave here, and for your company to get off the ground. We want it to fly without crashing.
Yeah,
that's the whole concept behind Top Gun.
Yeah. That's what I want too.
That's exactly what you want. Yes.
Yep.
So what would you tell somebody who's started into SoftWash, so they've come to discover SoftWash, and has Top Gun been worth it to you?
Yeah, I would say it's almost mandatory. You're spending this much on equipment. Why not get that training from somebody that's been doing it for years? And I mean, you got great equipment. You want to figure that out on your own? Or watch a few videos. It doesn't substitute going out there and doing it. I was looking forward to this class, picking up the equipment, and I would have been the timing for me worked out great, because I got the equipment installed on Monday, figured things out on Monday. I saw how the equipment was installed, so that helps me out. I'm very hands-on, and had the training following that. If I would have got the equipment, went home for a couple months, I would have been very disappointed, because you probably take some jobs on, and then trial and error, you figure things out. So it worked out good for me when I picked up the equipment.
Actually, I'll let everybody know, Top Gun is designed for when you pick up your equipment, for you to take your rig, you go out there, we bring an instructor in, and you are one-on-one with an instructor to learn your equipment, so that to build your confidence. To build your confidence. This is not the last we're going to see of you. We're going to see plenty of you, and now you've built relationships too, right?
Yeah, some great people here. Yeah.
You build relationships. You know that where you can get your answers, who to call. That's it.
Absolutely.
Been great.
Thank you.
Been great. Thank you.